this is Jim, the Singing Day Trader. Today I want to talk about next week's watch list. First one on the watch list will be BBOX. BBOX had a major sell-off last week, down to 70 cents from around $2. We noticed that it started picking up momentum the next day. Then the day after that, which was Friday, we had a big run on momentum. So we hit that 224 area, which is right about in here. What we need to do is probably pull back to the $2, a little above it. Then I'll get in on the bounce, and if we can break 224, we might see a lot more green heading north. And I want to see 260 by the end of the day. But this would be BBOX. That's the first one on our watch list. Now I'm going to be looking at some scans that we had. Or last week's watch list, we got CLNE, which I'm putting back on there. We had a little correction Thursday and Friday. So if I start seeing this thing pick up on momentum and volume, I'll try to get back in it. Run it up to about 380 for the week. So that's CLNE. We got BBOX and CLNE on the watch list. Then we've got a little penny stock that I flipped Friday, TNTR. I want to keep this one on the watch list for a momentum play. If any kind of dip, I'll probably pick me up about 10,000 shares and sell it at the end of the day at resistance. And that is TNTR. And the next one on the watch list, let me see what we got here. We have another little penny stock that one of the people in the room alerted, and that was IPIX. I think I was alerted to this one around 52 cents. And it ran to 62 Friday. And it was a nice little jump. I've got support and resistance charts set for it. We're in between the gap of the 50-day SMA, which is at 45, and the 200 SMA, which is right around at 62 cents. So maybe a pullback indeed to around 52 again and get back in it and ride it on up to 74. This is IPIX. This is a long shot stock to play, but we like the news on it, so we're going to keep it going. And we've got a few others that are on the list. We've got ROYT at 249. It's had a nice little monthly run. We hit a pivot point of 252. We're above the 50-day and the 200-day SMA. So we'll keep it on watch, and that will be ROYT. And let me see what else we got running here. CRON, CRON, hit the $7 resistance pivot point on the yearly chart. So we'd like to see a pullback to the 50-day SMA at 654, and that'll be CRON for an entry. I kind of gotten in CRON last week when they bashed anybody that was investing in it, stupid people, so said the smart money was leaving, and that was a big mistake. That was an opportunity for a buy-in, and I flipped it for 50 cents a share. I could have ran it up a little bit higher if I had enough sense on my head, but I took it to the 50-day SMA and sold it. And that was CRON. And that's a pot stock that we like. And I want to mention to everybody that I do have a $1,000 challenge that started a few weeks back. My first week was not too good. My second week, I made about 20% on it. So we're going to see what this week will bring, and this is the $1,000 challenge. So I've got a few stocks that I'm going to just throw in there. We got Groupon, HUYA at 28.54. BABA at 192.27. throw them in on the watch list. I got GBR. I don't want to take it off yet. It had a nice little run on GBR last week. Ran pretty good. And today's volume pre-market would be only Groupon that I see right now. So this is Jim, the Singing Day Trader. Follow me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give out a weekly watch list and periodically give updates on my StockTwits account, which is linked below, and also my Twitter account. And I want to wish everybody a great week this coming week trading. We're in a bull market. Don't let the media or the fake news get to you. We are run on algorithms, and it will change the market's course. But I always play on them dips because we're in a healthy economy right now. And I wish everybody a great day. Keep it fresh, keep it simple, and have a good one. Thank you very much.